March 2024, 2:47 a.m. James Chen was staring at his computer screen, eyes burning. He'd been writing product descriptions for 6 hours straight. He had 12 done. He needed 50 more by Monday to launch his spring collection. His Shopify store was stuck at 50 products and $8,000 per month. Not because he didn't have inventory, his supplier had 2,000 products available. But James could only list about 2 products per week without completely destroying himself. His wife asked him that night, "Is this business even worth it?" He didn't have an answer. 3 months later, he had 500 products listed, $40,000 per month in sales, and he'd just taken his first vacation in 2 years. This is what changed everything. Part 1. The breaking point. Let me show you exactly where James was before everything changed. January 2024. James had quit his marketing job 6 months earlier to run his e-commerce store full-time. Home organization products, storage bins, closet organizers, drawer dividers, kitchen gadgets. The products were good, 5-star reviews. Customers loved them. But James had a brutal math problem. His supplier offered 2,000 plus products. He'd carefully selected the best 50 to list on his Shopify store. Why only 50? Because every single product took him 4 hours to list properly. Hour 1.5, research keywords, check competitor pricing, analyze reviews. Hour 2, 3.5, write compelling 400-word product description. Hour 3.54, create 5 to 7 bullet points, optimize for SEO, format everything. He could add maybe 2 to 3 new products per week while maintaining his existing store. The cruel reality: his best-selling products had an average lifespan of 4 to 6 months before trends shifted. To keep revenue growing, he needed to constantly add new products. But he was trapped in quicksand. Part 2. The desperate experiment. The next morning, James did what any desperate person does. He Googled how to write product descriptions faster. Most results: hire a copywriter, $150 per product. Use a VA, 15-25 hour, but still slow. Templates made everything sound generic. Then he saw a YouTube video. I used ChatGPT to write 100 product descriptions in 1 day. James was skeptical. He'd tried AI writing tools before. They sounded robotic. Customers could tell. Product descriptions that converted at 2% with his writing converted at 0.8% with cheap AI tools. But he was desperate enough to try anything. He paid $20 for ChatGPT Plus. First attempt, complete failure. Prompt: write a product description for a storage bin. ChatGPT output: generic, boring, could be for any storage bin anywhere. James almost gave up. See? AI can't do this. Then he remembered something from his marketing days. Good briefs get good work. Whether it's a designer, copywriter, or apparently AI. Second attempt, everything changed. New prompt: you're writing a product description for an online home organization store. Product: clear stackable storage bin with snap-on lid. Customer: busy parents, age 30-45, frustrated with cluttered closets and can't find things when they need them. Benefits to emphasize: crystal clear so you can see contents without opening. Stackable design saves 40% more space. Snap-on lid keeps dust and moisture out. BPA-free, won't crack, or yellow tone. Helpful and warm, like talking to a friend who understands the struggle of home organization. Length: 350-400 words. Start with their pain point. Can't find things in cluttered closet? Then show how this solves it. 30 seconds later, ChatGPT delivered a description that made James stop scrolling. It opened with, "Ever spent 20 minutes searching for your winter gloves only to find them in the 3rd bin you checked? We've all been there." It wasn't just accurate. It was good. James copied it into his product page. Read it 3 times, made 2 small tweaks to match his brand voice exactly. Total time: 3 minutes instead of 90 minutes. He sat back in his chair. His heart was racing. If this works for one product, what if it works for all of them? Part 3. The 48-hour sprint. Friday night, 6 p.m. James made a decision. He had a weekend. He had a supplier with 2,000 products. He had ChatGPT. He was going to see how many products he could list in 48 hours. The system he built that weekend. Step 1. Batch keyword research. Friday night, 3 hours. Instead of researching keywords one product at a time, he pulled his supplier's top 100 products in his niche, used Helium 10's batch keyword tool, exported all data to a spreadsheet. Step 2. Create master ChatGPT prompt. Step 3. Batch production, Saturday, Sunday. James set a timer, 15 minutes per complete product listing. 2 minutes. Copy product specs from supplier. 3 minutes. Feed ChatGPT the customized prompt. 5 min. Review. Adjust brand voice. Add personal touch. 5 min. Format in Shopify. Sunday night, 10 p.m. James published his 50th new product listing. He'd added 50 products in one weekend, what normally would have taken him 6 months. Part 4. The 90-Day Transformation. March 2024. Month 1. James kept the momentum. He listed 100 more products. His strategy: Monday, Tuesday, batch research, 50 products. Wednesday, Friday, write and publish using ChatGPT. Weekend, monitor what's selling, adjust pricing. By end of March, 200 products listed, 4x from January. Monthly revenue, $16,400, up from $8,000. Time spent listing products, 12 hours week, down from 30+ hours. But something else was happening. More products. More ways to be found on Google. Each product page was now ranking for long-tail keywords: stackable clear storage bins for closet, kitchen drawer organizer bamboo, pantry organization containers set. His organic traffic went from 3,000 visitors month to 11,000 visitors month. The April 2024, month 2, James got bold. He added 150 more products. He also made a critical upgrade: Jasper AI for bullet points and variations. While ChatGPT handled long-form descriptions beautifully, Jasper specialized in punchy, short-form copy. For each product, Jasper would generate 7 benefit-focused bullet points in 10 seconds, 5 different headline variations, SEO-optimized meta descriptions. Cost: 49-month time saved per product, 30 minutes. By end of April, 350 products listed. Monthly revenue, $24,800. Conversion rate, 2.9%. Working 50 hours, week, down from 70. Part 5. The tools and the math. James's complete AI stack. ChatGPT Plus, 20-month. Used for product descriptions, customer pain point research, email sequences. Time saved: Down 80 hours, month. Jasper AI, 49-month. Used for bullet points, headlines, add copy variations. Time saved: 25 hours, month. Helium 10, 29-month. Starter plan. Used for keyword research, competitor analysis, not AI, but essential for feeding AI the right data. The math, before AI, February 2024. Products, 50. Revenue, 8,000 month. Profit margin, 22%. 1,660 month profit. Hours worked, 70 week. Effective hourly rate, 630 hour after AI, May 2024. Products, 500. Revenue, 40,000 month. Profit margin, 28%. For 11,200 month profit. Hours worked, 45 week. Effective hourly rate, 62 hour 36% profit increase while working 36% fewer hours. ROI on AI tools. Monthly investment, $98. Additional monthly profit, $9,440. Return, 9,600%. Part 6. What this means for you. If you're running an e-commerce store and you're stuck, here's what James wants you to know. Lesson 1. Your bottleneck probably isn't what you think it is. James thought his bottleneck was traffic, or conversion rate, or ad spend. It was actually inventory velocity. He couldn't list products fast enough to capitalize on trends and seasonal demand. AI removed that bottleneck completely. Lesson 2. AI quality is only as good as your prompts. James's first ChatGPT attempt failed because he gave it a lazy prompt. His second attempt worked because he gave it context, customer profiles, pain points, and tone guidance. Garbage in, garbage out applies to AI just like everything else. Lesson 3. Speed is a competitive advantage. While other sellers were manually writing 2 to 3 product descriptions per week, James was launching 50 products per week. He could test trends faster, respond to demand faster, capitalize on seasons faster. In e-commerce, speed wins. James Chen almost quit his business in February 2024. He was working 70-hour weeks for $1,800 a month. His wife asked if it was worth it. He didn't have an answer. 3 months later, he had 500 products, $40,000 in monthly revenue, and he'd just taken his first vacation in 2 years. What changed wasn't his work ethic. It wasn't his products. It wasn't his strategy. What changed was he stopped doing robot work and let robots do it. ChatGPT and Jasper AI handled the repetitive writing. James focused on picking winners, understanding customers, and building the business. If you're an e-commerce seller stuck at capacity, drowning in product listings, working too many hours for too little money, the answer isn't working harder. It's working smarter. And in 2024, working smarter means using AI for what it's actually good at, the repetitive stuff you hate anyway. Next week, a consultant who went from 5 leads per month to 80 leads per month without spending $1 on ads, using an AI-powered lead magnet she built in 18 hours. Subscribe so you don't miss it.